Hey guys, welcome back to the Subtl YouTube channel. I wanted to show you real quick what I pack when I travel. It really differs depending on where I'm going. Right now I'm going home for the holidays, so there will definitely be like fancier events that I want to dress up for. We're going to a Christmas production, we're going, to have family over, but then we'll just have some more casual days at home as well. So I love bringing my little Subtl makeup bag because it's the perfect size. And I love that it has structure to it, but also is flexible. I don't know, I'm very particular about travel bags. First is my stack, and I did my makeup with this stack in the last video, so I will link that here. Basically, I'm bringing concealer in my, tried and true color, a lip balm, and I love having a lip balm in my stack. I'm always losing them and they're always getting stolen, so this way no one can steal it. Dry brush cleaner, of course, so that I can use all my brushes. Eyeshadow duo in jelly. This is just my go-to. I don't have it with me right now, but I will probably add Dune as well so that I have a darker brown. Lip and Cheek in Terracotta Tour Guide. This is just my fave lately. It's more of a red color, which I feel like is great for the holidays. Always looks super good. So that bronzer in Leche, shine control powder, and then cream highlighter in Rosé. Might be my favorite Subtl product. Okay, so that's going in. We have an eyelash spoolie as well because I have lash extensions. So there's my stack. Fits in there perfectly. Then I will bring this NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in Deauville. Right now, not wearing any foundation, just the Subtl concealer. That does a great job. But when I want to get, more dressed up and have more coverage, I will use a foundation. Speaking of which, a sunscreen is a must. This is the Supergoop Glow Screen in the color Sunrise, and it just it has the slightest bit of tint, but not really. It's more of a glow. So I love that this gives you a glowy, hydrated base, whether you're just doing the concealer or you're doing the foundation. So this is a must when traveling. Next, I will bring my trusty, very well-loved 4-piece brush set. I can bring all my brushes, and it's this big, like the size of my hand. That's awesome because this is actually 5 brushes because this eyeshadow brush has 2. Then I will bring this little angled tiny brush. I'll use this for lip liner if I'm using Terracotta Tour Guide as a lip liner, or sometimes I'll use it as an eyeliner brush as well. Just stick that in there. That's from the older 4-piece brush set, just FYI. Let's see if I can fit this all in this bag. So far, so good. Okay, I have to bring the dual-ended eyeshadow brush because this thing is just amazing. And whenever I'm traveling with brushes, my old brushes always got super messed up in travel. So I love that the Subtl brushes are always protected. And even though the 4-piece brush set has a dual-ended eyeshadow brush, I really like this one because the angle, and also it's just nice to have multiple eyeshadow brushes. They all are different shapes and do different things. Okay, that fit in there. Obviously, we need a eyebrow pencil. This one is Benefit Precisely My Brow, color 3.5. I really like this one. I've gone through a lot of different eyebrow pencils. I like that it has a little spoolie on the back because I can fluff my brows at the beginning and the end, and it just applies really nicely. So there we go. And then lastly, I am bringing this Fenty Beauty contour stick in the color Mocha. It's more of a bronzer color though. In the winter, really like having cream products. So I've been using this underneath, and then I'll use the powder bronzer on top to kind of lock it in. I also like how the shape of this makes contouring really easy. And yeah, it just is super nice, kind of little extra. Throw that in there as well. Okay, I'm actually really impressed. I think this is all going to fit. I think we've got it. Yay! Okay, so there you have it. This is all I need for travel. I'm staying with my family, so I don't have a lot of space to just leave my makeup out all over the place. So it's nice that I can super quickly every day take this out, do my makeup, put it back in here, and it's super compact. My little Lulu belt bag, gonna throw that in there. That way it's on the plane with me. And that is it. There is my travel makeup. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We upload videos at least once a week. Thanks so much for following along. Bye guys.